Hey everyone! In this video, we will briefly discuss how FastPix On-Demand video dashboard works. At the outset, our dashboard allows you to use a good subset of our on-demand video product features. You can upload your video or audio assets. It works for both. Folks with simple needs like embedding videos on their website find the dashboard by itself sufficient, whereas developers building advanced workflows start on the dashboard before moving to using us through APIs. That said, let's check out the on-demand video dashboard. First up, upload your video or audio either from your machine or through URL. If doing through URL, you can paste the URL right here directly. Otherwise, upload your media from your machine, which is what we will do here. After uploading, you'll see a progress bar. Once upload is done, click View Media to access your media asset. On this media asset page, initially, you might see a status as processing. What's happening here is what's called encoding in the video world. Your raw video is being automatically compressed to a smaller size, making storage and streaming more efficient. Next, we take care of device compatibility. Ensures videos can be played across a wide range of devices and platforms by converting files into compatible formats. And finally, different versions of your files. Each at different bit rates and resolutions are being created. This enables what is called as adaptive bitrate streaming, which essentially ensures your viewers get the best possible experience, no matter their internet speeds. So, a lot is happening. Once encoding is done, the status updates to ready. Next up, let's play your videos. To do so, you can use your own video player or FastPix free customizable player, which is what we'll do here. Grab the code shown here and playback ID found here. Place the playback ID here and voila, your video is playing. You can also use playback stream here directly in your browser and the video plays. You can also embed the video using the code here. Scroll down and you find other things like thumbnails, GIFs, and timeline hovers which have already been created for you. You can grab these and use in your player to maximize your viewers' experience and engagement. If you want clips of the video you uploaded for, say, marketing, then you can create them in this tab. You can do this via the slider or directly input timestamps here. Then you can preview the clip and then create a public or private clip. And just like that, your clips are created as separate media assets for you to use. In our next AI tab, you can use our AI features for generating your media subtitles, chapters, summary, NSFW, or profanity detection, or named entity recognition. Just press the button here to enable what you want. Here is an example of output for subtitles, chapters, summary, NSFW, or profanity detection. And finally, named entity recognition. That's our quick preview, folks. We have a lot more features in our on-demand video APIs and in combination with our other products. Thanks for watching.